Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So, Instagram has added one new way to find a girl or a boy or a people uh, nearby, the Instagram users nearby. For example, if you are staying in any location, then you can find a user that can be a male or a female that nearby area. Okay, so before there was a way, but this is an official way. I mean, you can see it in Instagram application itself. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to use it. So first of all, you need to update your Instagram application, and after that, when you will open your Instagram application, just click on search. So here you can see on the top right there is a location map icon. Just click on this one. So once you will click, it will load a nearby location, the area where I am living. So here you can see all these things. For example, here you can see the list of popular places nearby me. So if you want to search for a particular place, you can directly search it from here also. For example, if I am searching it here, you can see I can find that location and all the list of users are here. For example, if I will click on any of this, and here you can see this all people are nearby me. I can open and I can add or message whatever I want. Okay, so in this way, here you can see the list of people are here. So everyone is here. You have to find out the people you are looking for, or you can make a new friends, the people who are staying nearby you. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.